Hi, first graders. Welcome to Wednesday. We are continuing with our three-letter blends. Let's do a review. We have SPR, which says spur, spur. So we have spur. AY says A. The word together is spray. Next word, SCR. We have skr. What does SCR say? Okay, skr. Word is scream. Next blend, SPL, spool. What does it say? Spool. Word is split. STR says stir. What does it say? Okay, then we have a super E, makes the O say its name. So we have stir, oak. Word is stroke. Okay, then we have a trigraph. We have TH, which says th, then an R, which says So this together says thir. What does THR say? Thir. Thir plus E, the whole word is 3. Same thing here, trigraph, we have SH, which is our digraph, and at the end, together it says sure. What does it say? Okay, then INK, the I says the E sound, so it says ink. So we have the whole word is shrink. Okay, try some words on your own. Ready? Think. Say. Word is scratch. Next word, think. Say. Word is straw. Next word, think. Say. Word is throat. Next word, think. Say. Word is stretch. Good, let's try some blending. Ready? Blend out loud. Third. Word is thread. Next word. Skr. Word is script. Next one. Spool. Word is split. Next one. Spur. Word is spring. Next word. Think. Say. Word is straw. Last one to blend. Word is shrimp. Okay, sounds 2 times as they're underlined. Ready? Read. Stir, stir. E, thir, ing, sure, sure. Ow, ow. I, skr, E, sh. Ah, ch, a, ing, ill, ub. Okay, we are going to sound out some words in our brain. Think, say. Word is street. Next word, think. Say. Word is strong. Next word over here, think. Say. Word is thrill. This one down here, think. Say. Word is spring. Next word, think. Say. Word is shrink. Next word, think. Super E makes the I say its name. Word is strike. Next word, think. Say. Word is throne. Next word, think. Super E. Say. The word is stripe. Next word, think. Say. Word is scrub. Next word, think. Say. Word is splash. Think. Say. Word is stream. Think. Say. Word is screen. Think. Say. Word is threat. EA says here. Threat. Same here. think, say, word is thread. Next word, think, say, word is straw. Now, yesterday we talked about ed and ing endings. If we put ed at the end, it means it already happened. If we put ing at the end, it means it's happening now. So we have the base word scratch. Then we add ed at the end, scratched. This means I already scratched my head. Okay, then we have base word scratch plus ing. The whole word is scratching. I am scratching my head. You are doing it right now. Let's look at two more. Ed here, ing here. Base word is stir. Word is stroll. That's another word for walking. So we have strolled. Yesterday I strolled down the street. It already happened. Right now I am strolling down the street. It's something you're doing right now. All right. Let's read some sentences. Think, say, think, say, think, say, think, say, think, say. Let's read it together. Ready? Read. He can stretch the string. Next sentence. Think, say, think, say, think, say, think, say, think, say. Ready? Read. Can you scroll the screen? Okay, here's what we were talking about earlier. Here's the base word of our verb. When you add ed to the end of a verb, it means that it already happened. So if you scraped your head yesterday, then you would put ed at the end. So yesterday I scraped my hand. Okay? Then if you add ing at the end of a verb, it means that it's happening now. So if you're scraping glue off your desk, you would say, I am scraping glue off my desk. You're doing it right now. Same thing here. We have the base word scratch. You add ed, it means it already happened. So yesterday I scratched my hand. Today I am scratching the desk. Same thing here. We have our silent K. So this says it, knit. Add ed at the end. The word is knitted. So knit is a type of like sewing, putting things together. So knit. Yesterday I knitted a hat. It already happened. Ing at the end means it's happening right now. I am knitting a blanket. Okay, bling words this week are our number words. First word is 6. What's the word? Spell it. S-I-X. This is the number 6. She has 6 brothers in her family. The word is 6. What's the word? Next word is 1. What's the word? Spell it. O-N-E. This is the number 1. The one thing you should always do is be kind. What's the word? 1. Next word is 5. What's the word? Spell it. F-I-V-E. This is the number 5. There are 5 days in a work week. What's the word? 5. Good. Next word is 4. What's the word? Spell it. F-O-U-R. This is the number 4. Cars have 4 wheels. What's the word? And last one is 3. What's the word? Spell it. T-H-R-E-E. This is the number 3. Did you know he has 3 dogs? What's the word? Okay, today we are reading the story called 3 Shrimp. What's it called? Here's some words you need to know. Word is what? Word is there. Word is were. Word is only. And word is push. Okay, So we have this THR word. This is thir. Super E makes the O say its name. The word is throne. That has our trigraph THR in it. Then we have STR in this word, so we have super E again, so we have stir, ED at the end, striped. Fish for supper, let's see. And then we have SCR in this word, so we have screeched. Now, this word, screech, is a verb, so if we add ED, it means it already happened, so we already screeched. Let's read this page together. Ready? And read. The king sat down on his throne. He clapped his hands. Striped fish for supper, please. Supper is another word for dinner. He screeched. He gave the same order each night. Okay, next page. So, SCR here again, we have scratch with ED at the end. Scratch. Scratch is a verb. Adding ED means it's already happened. So, scratched his head. He already did it. Then we once again have our word striped from last page. Then we have STR here. We have stir, the word is stream. Then we have trigraph, THR, which says thir, plus E at the end. The word is three. And then this word from the title as well, sure, shrimp. What's the word? Okay, SPL here, we have split, and here we have shrimp again. Then we have SPR, which says spread. Let's read the page together. Ready? Read. The cook heard the king's order. He scratched his head. He did not know what to do. Today there were no striped fish from the stream. The cook only had 3 plump shrimp. The cook had to think fast. He split each shrimp in 2 and put them on a plate. He spread the sauce on top. Okay, see if the king will accept the shrimp. Okay, next page we have this one right here. STR says strange and striped again from the last page. We also have THR right here and the word through. Let's read it together. Ready? Read. The meal was set before the king. The king took a bite. He threw down his fork and gave his plate a push. This fish tastes strange, said the king. It is not my order. The cook stood in front of the king. Sir, I had no striped fish. Okay, this word right here is kind of tricky. It's a silent G, so we have nod. Here's the word shrimp again. SHR and the word shrugged. Shrimp and striped and shrimp and shrimp. And then here's 3. Let's read it together. Ready? Read. The king gnawed on a bit more shrimp. Then the king shrugged. The king smiled. I think I like your shrimp better than the striped fish. Tomorrow I will eat shrimp again. Each night the king had 3 shrimp with sauce on top. Alright, that is our story for today. Last thing we're going to talk about is 2 words. We have one word, which is I, and one word is me. These words are kind of confusing when to use them. We use I when it's going to be a sentence. So I have a cat, or we use it like Dad and I went there. So it is the subject, okay? Then we use the word me after a verb. So we would say, let's do Grandma wanted. Wanted is our verb. And then you would say me to seer.